Are you a realtor struggling to make your listings pop? Imagine walking into a home that sparkles, feels inviting, and is ready to impress buyers the moment they step in. That's where TidyTex Home Cleaning comes in. As a proud veteran-owned business based in San Antonio, we understand the importance of first impressions in real estate. Our professional cleaning services are tailored specifically for realtors like you, helping your properties prepare for sale, improve showings, and close deals faster than ever. We offer quick turnarounds and meticulous attention to detail, ensuring homes shine just in time for open houses or buyer visits. Here's a quick tidy tip for you. Open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. A bright, welcoming space helps buyers envision their lives there and highlights the home's best features. With TidyTex on your side, your listings won't just look good, they'll feel like home. Ready to transform your properties and elevate your sales game? Check the video description for more details and contact us today at app.tidytex.us or call 210-951-8206. Let's make those homes shine bright together and create lasting impressions that lead to successful sales.